Let's get started with the core technology zone. As you can see, we have a lot of people here today at the event waiting to check out the new Tritons. And I gotta say that by being surrounded by so many different beautiful Tritons today, I feel so hyped to just hop on a Triton and go explore places with my family, friends, or loved ones. I can feel the energy in this room, and I gotta say that the decoration here, all the setup is super on point. Can you feel the energy through the camera? I am super excited to be here today. And here we are at the core technology zone. Come check this out with me. So what makes the Triton truly groundbreaking is the captivating frame on display, as you can see right here. And we also got the suspended engine. And ooh, check this out with me. Do you see this 3D hologram? Doesn't it look amazing? I feel like I could stare at that all day. Like, is that thing even real? And yes, we are now at the core technology zone.
Hi.
Hi. Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Are you interested in this 3D hologram?
Yeah, it looks so cool.
It's so impressive, isn't it?
Yes.
And nice to see you. I am Yuya Fukuda from Japan and product planning of the new Triton. What you see in this hologram in the engine parts and inside the car. The Triton frame is also displayed here, technology zone.
Wow, so I'm wondering, what is your most favorite part about the Triton?
It is all new core technologies.
All new core technologies. Could you tell us more about that?
The new Triton brings enhanced core technology, boosting performance. From a redesigned chassis and suspension for smoother rides, to a new engine for powerful seamless acceleration. It's all revamped. Check out this engine here.
Wow, this model is brimming with the latest technology.
Absolutely. Mitsubishi's cutting-edge technology is embedded into every component. Unique features like Super Select 4WD2, 7 drive modes, and active yaw control make it truly stand out.
Active yaw control, what is that?
Yes, active yaw control is Super Select 4WD2. Super Select 4WD2 allows that we can positively use 4WD mode when the road condition is not only slippery, like gravel or snow, but also dry condition. In addition, the new Triton gives comfortable cornering on slippery surfaces. So I think these functions promote safe and enjoyable driving in any situation.
Wow, the new Triton just keeps getting better and better, isn't it? Well, thank you very much for sharing your knowledge with me. I had to rush off, but I gotta go to the next station. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.